Hello and welcome to Section 1 of Swift 2, using CocoaPods for dependency management. In this section, we're going to have a look at our project code as it stands at this moment in time. Then we're going to have a look at installing CocoaPods. After that, we'll have a look at how we review pods and search for pods. Then we're going to create a pod file to manage our dependencies. And finally, we're going to implement stWebImage for lazy image loading. In the course Introduction to Swift 2, we created the Dream Seeker project. This application allows users to create a dream they want to achieve, add text and an image, and then save it to a list of dreams they have already created. From here, they are then able to mark the dream as achieved or unachieved by tapping the cell. We'll be using this project as the base for this course, so let's run through the code to see what we have. The first item we have is our storyboard. Here we have several important elements. Stepping through them, as we enter the application as a user, we first have our navigation controller. The whole project is embedded in a navigation style, so we can move from one view controller to the next. The root view controller is this Dream Table View controller, which is a subclass of UI Table View controller. This controller displays a list of dreams the user has created and uses this prototype cell, Dream Table View cell, containing an image view and a label. Then finally we have our Dream View controller, where each of the dreams can be created. Here we have 5 elements: the text field for naming the dream, an image view for displaying the selected image, and buttons for providing the functionality of selecting the image and saving the dream. So let's jump into our code. Before we look at our controllers, the next item we can see is that we are following the pattern of Model View Controller, or MVC. So we're using this struct dream as our model, containing 3 properties: name, image link, and state, which is an enumeration. So now we have our Dream Table View controller. This is the code component that links with the UI element we have in our storyboard. With this, we have a data source which we populate in the view will appear for the dreams stored in NSUser defaults. Then we take the dreams and build a path to our image stored in our documents within the table view cells for each item and index path. And finally we have our Dream View controller. This is where our users create their dreams through naming it, followed by a selection of an image using the image picker, saving the image to the documents folder, and displaying it in the image view, then saving the dream to NSUser defaults. This code is what we will use as a base as we work our way through this course. Now that we've reviewed our code, in the next video we're going to look at how we can install CocoaPods.